we are going to then begin with the part of the questions. And today it's a little bit different when we do the encounter today. We are going to take a few minutes to answer questions, which is, remember that each one of you has to speak for roughly 2 minutes when I ask you the question. When I ask you the question, each one of you has to speak for at least 2 minutes, and then we will take turns in speaking, and this will be part 1 of the evaluation, which will roughly take 20 minutes. After that, then we'll do the other exercise, the other activity, which is looking at the pictures again. So today we only have 1 round for questions and another round for pictures, which will take us roughly 40 minutes to do that, and then we'll do the closing of the encounter, and that should be it for today. Anyway, remember the recommendations that I gave you last time. We need to be able to watch the videos, we need to take the quiz so that we can participate actively. And I'm going to start with the questions. So I'm going to ask Katie, so that you have the chance to rest your voice. I'm always going to ask Katie first, and then Diana, and then Joanna, in that order, so that you guys can rest your voice, the two of you who have like the little throat condition there. Okay, so Katie, do you think that you spend too much time studying? Okay, so if you could choose between studying and working, do you think you spend too much time working or studying? Oh, okay. Okay. And now, how about you, Diana? Okay, thank you. And now, how about you, Johanna? Okay, all right. So, like, now I'm going to tell Diana that when you're talking about not You don't see it as spending time, but you see it as an investment. So the correct way to say it is I invest time in my studies. Invest, right? And I don't have, that's okay. And I don't have children rather than I don't have child, right? Okay, so you're welcome. So now the second question is for Katie again. So Katie, how important is it to you to spend time with your family? Do you travel to visit? No. One. Okay. Okay. Once a year. All right, perfect. Now, I'm going to ask Diana, if you could travel to another country, where would you go and why? All right. Thank you. And how about you, Joanna? And what else? Tell me a little more. And where would you like to visit? With who would you like to go? What type of things would you do there? Okay, now, thank you so much. I'm going to switch now the topic, and Katie, I'm going to talk about food. So now moving on to a new topic, I would like to discuss cooking and meals with you. Okay? So, Katie, do you enjoy cooking? Why or why not? Okay. Okay. All right, good. Okay. So do you cook just for yourself or you like to cook for others or? Okay. Okay. So you guys like take turns cooking? Oh, okay. Okay. All right, that works. Okay. And how about you, Diana? Do you enjoy cooking? Hygiene. Okay, that sounds good. And how about you, Joanna? Yeah, eating is it's everybody's favorite. And why is that, Joanna? Mm, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, wonderful. Well, personally, yes, go ahead, Diana. Go ahead. Washing the dishes. Oh, oh, I personally prefer to wash the dishes than cooking. See, I am a wife, so you don't need to cook to be a wife, but you just need to marry the correct man. Or yeah, or somebody who doesn't mind eating from a restaurant because if you don't like something, then you cannot do it. I think that you have to be true to yourself. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the last question. And the last question is this let me see. Okay, Katie, is it an important part of our culture to have like dinner parties? What do you think about that? Is it important for our culture? Dinner parties or lunches